Hello everyone, today I will show you how to add page level and formatting page level in a PDF file using PDF-XChange Editor. Open your PDF file and click on this home option. Here you will find this thumbnail option and click right button here and see this properties and see this PDF file page there is no page leveling and see this. Now I will add page leveling. Now click on this organize option and here you will find this number pages option. Click here and this is numbering. You can add Roman numeric alphabetic numbering. It is alphabetic numbering. This is small capital letter numbering. I add this Roman numeric capital letter numbering. You can start this one number 2 or 3, or so you can add new range and so select OK and see this page leveling now added. Yeah, this is, and finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.